Welcome to Shipping Solutions, Export Documentation and Compliance Software. This video explains how to create user groups, which are only available in the multi-user version of Shipping Solutions Professional. If you want to limit rights for certain users, you can set up different user groups. Click the Admin tab, and then User Groups. The admin group is already set up with full access rights. You cannot change the admin group. If you want all users to have full access to Shipping Solutions, you do not need to create any additional groups. If you want different user groups, however, click Add New and enter a group name, and we will call this group Sample. The top group of boxes controls what the group has access to on the Easy Start toolbar, such as creating or deleting shipments or submitting data to AES Direct. Let's give this group the ability to create, copy, and consolidate shipments. The checkboxes in the lower section of the screen control access to the screens on the Easy Start, Databases, Utilities, Tools, and Admin tabs. Checking the box will give the user access to all the screens on that tab. If you want to limit them to only some of the screens, click the Details box. Here you can uncheck boxes next to each specific screen on that tab. Let's uncheck the boxes for Carriers and Ports, Canada Customs Invoice, and CARICOM Invoice. Click Save and Close. Let's also give this group access to the Databases tab, but we'll uncheck the 3 product databases. Save and Close. Repeat the process for as many user groups as you need, then close the User Groups screen. Now you must attach this user group to one of your user accounts. Click User Accounts and choose a user to assign to this group. And we will assign Anne to the sample group. Save and close. Now let's log in as Anne to see this user group in action. Click the Easy Start tab. As you may recall, we gave this group the ability to create, copy, and consolidate shipments, but we did not give them access to file through AES, run compliance, delete shipments, or change shipment options, so all those buttons are grayed out. We granted access to the Easy Start screen, but then we restricted access to the Carriers and Ports, Canada Customs Invoice, and CARICOM Invoices screens. We also granted access to the Databases tab, but restricted access to the 3 product databases, so they are grayed out. We did not grant access to the Utilities, Tools, or Admin tab, and this is the message that pops up when I click on one of them. This concludes the User Groups video. Thank you for watching.
Thanks for watching. If you liked this video, we'd appreciate it if you'd like it and share it, and subscribe to our channel for more videos sharing real practical advice for exporters and importers. You'll also find hundreds of articles about every aspect of exporting at shippingsolutions.com/blog. Check below for a link.